everybody, Professor Kabir is back and today I am going to show you how to segregate substances. Today I am going to show you 3 ways in how we can segregate. The first way is called hand picking. This mixture is made of thermocol balls, pebbles and finer particles. We can do hand picking when the quantity of the substance is lesser and the size of the substance is relatively larger. Here you can see I am segregating the thermocol balls and pebbles from the dirt, mud and sugar. Do-it-yourself model which I made with my younger sister. Now coming back to segregation. The second way in how we can segregate is called sieving. Here you can see I have attached a model of a sieve. This is an empty container and this is the same mixture I had showed you when I was doing hand picking. Now I am putting the mixture through the sieve. And as you can see, the finer substances had gone down through the sieve and into the empty container, and the larger substances, which were the thermocol balls and the pebbles, were left in the sieve. The third way in how we can segregate is called winnowing. For those who don't know what winnowing means, winnowing is just segregating particles by just blowing air into it. Here you can see just below the sieve I have attached a fan through a motor, and this fan is working through a switch which is attached to a battery. Now I am going to put the same mixture through the sieve, and while I am putting it, all the mud or the dirt will fly out and the thing that will be left is only sugar. So this is what is left after I did winnowing. Now I am going to show you sedimentation. Here I have filled this plastic glass with half water, half full of water. Now I am carefully adding the residue. As you can see, the heavier particles settled at the bottom. These are called sediments, and this process is called sedimentation. Now I am going to show decantation. Decantation is another way of separating mixtures. Now I am going to slowly tilt the glass and as you can see, the top layer of the liquid was poured into the container and the heavier sediments were still left in the previous container. This process is called decantation. Now I am going to show filtration. For filtration, we need a filter paper. We have to fold the filter paper into a quarter and then make a cone. As you can see, the cone is ready. Now I am carefully placing it on top of the glass. And now I am going to pour the liquid which has the sediments in it. Water is now clear and the sediments have gotten stuck on the filter paper. This process is known as filtration. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you understood everything explained today. Goodbye, Professor Kabir signing off.